so I apologize if it's a little late. Don't call me. This is how Google works, basically. Web visitor says, I need to find some information out about this thing. Widgets. Right? Maybe I should go to Google. Why? Because Google did a lot of good planning. Right? Good word of mouth, excellent search engine. They go there, they type in any particular keyword. There's three ways, three basic ways, let's say. Three basic ways that your information would show up in the basic search results over here. The first, like we talked about, is lots and lots of content. Again, you want to add a lot of information about your products and services. It's artwork. Talk about the reasons behind your artwork. What was your motivation at the moment? All right? I want it to be nude. Something like that. You have this quizzical look on your face. It's feeling bad.
I'm not sure I understand adding content. At a certain point, you kind of said what you need to say, or what you add.
Not for the humans, for the computer.
I understand. So how do you balance between what you know, being verbose and having all sorts of information you really don't need to say?
Okay.
And satisfying this marketing thing.
Don't necessarily talk about one particular topic. Make it about your thoughts and feelings.
I don't really, oh, okay. So this is, you got to decide if you want to put your thoughts and feelings out there so that you can market?
Yeah, I mean, that's the thing is that, you know, when you're marketing, you're kind of putting yourself out on the line. When you really believe in the subject matter that you're working on, you kind of want to put it out there. And it's very tough, especially to be, you know, transparent to the world. The more that you, how do I put this without getting too trippy, the more that you go through the pain of exposing yourself for who one really is to the world, the more return you get back. As long as your end result, what you're trying to accomplish, is a good one. So add as much content as you can. I wouldn't add, like, you know, 50 pages on one page. You know, just like 3 or 4 paragraphs on one page, then create a second page and a third page. You know, don't make it like, you know, this Declaration of Independence type of thing. Member groups. We talked about the ProMetroNet. The Arts Council of Rockland is a member group. How many people are members of the Arts Council of Rockland? Okay, so if you have a website, right, and I don't know if the Arts Council does this, but they can link to your website. And since it's an organization with an altruistic cause, Google's going to recognize that as a more popular link, a more important link. So you want a lot of links from groups that are looking to create goodwill and good, you know, good vibes out there. And also, updates. Every time that you do something different, something new, you post it. We'll talk about this in your blog. So the three things, the three ways that Google recognizes your information is: 1, lots of content, put yourself out there. 2nd, links. You hook up with a lot of, you know, larger organizations that are willing to link to your website. And 3, every time that you do something different, get the word out there. Get it into the local newspaper, something, and make sure that when they talk about that stuff, they link to your website. You got to link to your website for Google to recognize it.